Kelly, the boy from Callan. What's the news, what's the news, oh me bow shall be here with your long-barreled gun out to sea. Say what wind from the south brings a messenger here with the hem of the dawn for the free. Goodly news, do I bring you to forth? Goodly news, will you hear, Maggie man? For the boys march at morn from the south to the north, led by Kelly, the boy from Callan. Tell me who is that giant with the gold curling hair, he who rides at the head of your band? 7 feet is his height, with some inches to spare, and he looks like a king in command. Oh, me boys, that's the pride of our Welsh-Minears, amongst our greatest of heroes a man. Bring your beavers aloft and give 3 ringing cheers for John Kelly, the boy from Callan. In his courties in flames, old Wexford is won, and tomorrow the barrow will cross. On the hill o'er the town we have planted a gun that will batter the gateway to Ross. All forth men and ragmen will ride o'er the heath, with brave Harvey to lead in the van. But the bravest of all in that grim gap of death will be Kelly, the boy from Callan. But the gold sun of freedom grew darkened and rust, and it set by the Slaney's red wave. And all Wexford, stripped naked, hung high on a cross, with their heart pierced by traitors and knaves. Glory, oh, glory, oh, to the bold men who died for the cause of long downtrodden man. Glory, oh, to Mount Leinster's own darling and pride, Dauntless Kelly, the boy from Callan. And here's another very old song that got into the charts in England way back in the 60s. And it's a song that Luke sang as well. It's called